Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy peanut butter oatmeal bars. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, half a cup of honey, and 2 cups of rolled oats. Don't forget a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to enhance the flavors. Also, have a 9 by 13-inch baking dish ready for later. Now, let's get mixing. In a large, microwave-safe bowl, combine your 1 cup of peanut butter and half a cup of honey. Heat this mixture for about 30 seconds or until it's warm and easy to stir. Once smooth, add in the 2 cups of rolled oats and the 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together until well combined. With your mixture ready, it's time to press it into your 9 by 13-inch baking dish. For easy removal, line the dish with parchment paper first. Firmly press the mixture down, ensuring an even layer across the entire dish. Once pressed, place the dish in the refrigerator to chill for at least 2 hours. This helps the bars set perfectly. After chilling, your peanut butter oatmeal bars are ready. Carefully lift the entire slab out of the baking dish using the parchment paper. Place it on a cutting board and slice it into 12 to 16 individual bars, depending on your preferred size. These delicious, no-bake treats are perfect for a quick snack. Store any leftovers in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.